Okay, you guys, we are back at our local Spirt Halloween for a checkup. I think that they'd be starting something pretty soon. Oh shoot, someone just opened the door. Let me cross real quick. Let me cross. So look, opening soon, right here. Let's get a peep inside. Let's try to see if we can see anything. Oh yeah, we can see, you can't even see it. Open this Monday? Yep. Perfect, thank you. This Monday, you guys, it's coming. So look, hold on, let me try to put this camera up to the window. You can kind of see, you can see the ringmaster, you can see Ghostface. You can see absolutely everything. You can see Ghostface, you can see, I don't know if you can see any back ISCs. Let me get a little better view. Right in there, it looks pretty cool. But yeah, so there it was for the Spirt Halloween store tour. It'll be open this Monday. Definitely do a store tour after school or something. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.